I love my Milk Bliss milk frother that I was sent from Zule Kitchen. It works awesome. Now this is travel size and that is why it's folded inside. Perfect, so if you are going on a trip, you can bring this along and not worry about the whisk getting bent. Another nice feature, it's flat on the bottom. So on your kitchen counter, kitchen table, you can just put this on and it saves a lot of room, as you can see. Now this is how easy it is to use. All you have to do is push it right here and it folds out. And depending on what setting you want, you may want to whisk like this or like this. Now it takes 2 AA batteries, and also right here is the button for the power. You see that? 13,000 revolutions per minute. It is super strong and powerful. And this is how easy it is to use. All you have to do is put it in your milk, just like this, and then push the button. And look at that whisk, and wow, 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 it whisked it so much. Crazy, right? And all you have to do is rinse it under water and then push it again, and then that's how it air dries. But look at how nice foam that is. Now look at that nice foam. It is so thick. And you do remember I only had this much milk and it just whipped it all up just like that. Super impressed. Definitely recommend it. And this is by Milk Bliss by Zule Kitchen. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. Hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.